Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in here real quick to say thank you all for watching. I hope that you enjoy this stitch. It is super easy and super cute. If you like this video, please go ahead and thumbs up. And again, I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Alright guys, so here we are for the textured half double crochet. If you're familiar with a regular half double crochet stitch, you'll see lines, but in this in particular one, there are no lines. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go ahead and jump into it. For this project, I will be using a H size hook again. We'll go ahead and start with a chain. Excuse me. We'll go ahead and start with a slip knot. For this project, you'll chain any amount of chains that you want plus 3. Your plus 3 would be your first, what count as your first half double crochet. So I'll just chain a few. And just to show you guys, oops. Okay. Plus our 3. 1, 2, 3. As I said before, our first 3 chains will count as our first half double crochet. So we'll go ahead 1, 2, 3. We'll put our half double crochet in there. For a half double crochet, what you're going to go ahead and do is yarn over. Insert your yarn into the chain, yarn over, pull up. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 3. Again, you will yarn over. Insert your hook into that next chain, yarn over again, pull up that loop. You have 3. Yarn over, pull through all 3. One more time, guys. Yarn over. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up, pull through all 3, and you're going to do that till you get to the end of the chain. All right, guys, we are nearing the ends. We have 3 chains remaining, so we'll go ahead and complete our half double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through. And then we have our last one. All right, so we have our half double crochet chain. What we're going to do now is chain 2. Always chain 2, guys. And turn your work. Once you've turned, this is what makes it different. So usually you'll just go through your first 2 V's on top of your stitch. For this project, we are not. We're going to go in between the half double crochet stitches. So we're just going to go in between. So we go ahead and yarn over, go in between the whole half double crochet, yarn over, pull up, and you're just going to do a half double crochets in those, in between those stitches, guys. Beside the last stitch, not in the V's as you usually would, but in the actual half double crochet. All right, so I will meet you guys at the end. All right, guys, we are nearing the end, so we're going to go ahead and finish this up. In between, pull through 3, between the last little hole. All right, there we go. So again, go ahead and just chain your 2. Turn your work. And again, in those holes, as you see those holes right here, that is where you are inserting your hook. So super easy, right? Make sure you get that very first one so your work can be straight. And keep going, guys. I will meet you at the end of this row. All right, guys, we are at our last half double crochet. Isn't that pretty? And something different, right? All right, we're at our last half double crochet, and the only thing you do, guys, is just continue to do this as long as your heart desires. So I hope that you guys like this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.